Bonjour les Français. Aujourd'hui, quelques notes des adjectifs. Just some reminders of things that you already know. Numéro 1, en français, adjectifs describe a noun. So they're going to talk about the color or size or type, etc. En général, they're placed after the noun that they describe. Like, les couleurs are a primary example of ones that come after the noun. That's différent en anglais. In some cases, certains adjectifs have permission to go avant, before their noun. But in all cases, an adjectif should agree, based on masculin ou féminin, singulier ou pluriel. Again, these are all things that you know, just reminders. En général, making something agree means adding e pour féminin and s pour pluriel. Of course, there are always exceptions, but I like to remember it as mouf soupe. Masculin ou féminin, singulier ou pluriel. It's a funny acronym, but it can help you remember to double check your writing for masculin and féminin agreement and singulier and pluriel. Most of the changes that we're talking about will impact your writing and make certain that you're adding extra letters to agree. Just a reminder on the bags adjectif. Bags are the adjectives that are allowed to go before their noun. And that acronym refers to, beauty, things that are beautiful, like beau or belle, or jolie. Âge, the age of something, whether that's a person or thing. Jeune and âgé, for people. Nouveau, nouvelle, masculin, féminin. And vieux, vieille, for things, new and old. G represents goodness, whether something is good or bad. Bon et bonne, mauvais et mauvaise, good and bad. And size, S, grand ou grande, petit ou petite, big and small. I'll ask you here to double check in your note pour les exemples. You've got some space to list a few, and I'd encourage you to practice them as you do, just so that you get the hang of how to order the adjectif and the idea of making agreement. Par exemple, we might have les couleurs, un sofa rose. So here you have un sofa with its couleur rose après. Un lit bleu, a blue bed. Un lit first, bleu après. And here you'll just want to make certain. Here's two examples of masculin. This run rose has an I, but that's how it is normalement, and bleu does not have anything. Une baignoire rouge, a red bathtub. Okay, there's an example of one that doesn't make any changes, but has une and rouge. Des rideaux jaunes et violets, if you happen to have yellow and purple curtains. Rideau is masculin, but it is more than one, so we add S et S. As far as bags exemples are concerned, voici un grand sofa, a big couch, and now grand, being a bags, is allowed to precede sofa. Une petite table, there's a féminin exemple, so we've changed petite to reflect that table is féminin. And des jolis tapis, there's a more than one example. Des jolis in front, tapis, joli pluriel to reflect tapis. Zoot, there's another bags up there. Des nouvelles lampes. Des nouvelles lampes. Lampe being féminin, and more than one, needs to have new that reflects it. So we've chosen nouvelle, the féminin form, and an S to reflect that there's more than one. You might also double up, double up. Une grande chaise jaune, a big yellow chair. Check out all the agreement we have to make. Une chaise, first of all, féminin. Grande comes before, and then is féminin to reflect chaise. Jaune comes après, and again is féminin to represent chaise. Un petit fauteuil vert, a small green comfy chair. A small green comfy chair. Encore, fauteuil masculin, petit in front represents masculin, and vert in back represents masculin aussi. Et aussi des jolies armoires grises. Some very pretty gray armoires. We saw lots of them. Here, armoire is féminin in more than one. Jolie pops before because it's allowed to. It's made pluriel and féminin. Grise pops after. Féminin and pluriel. Brief reminder aussi on les couleurs. Rouge, jaune, beige, and rose are in their natural form. They won't make any changes between masculin and féminin. Vert, bleu, gris, et noir all will have to add e in their feminine forms. Violet and blanc will make giant changes between masculin and féminin. Violet will change to violette. And blanc will change to blanche. So juste attention there, violet double T-E, blanc to blanche, H-N-E. You want to note aussi that orange and marron don't make any changes, no matter if they're masculine or féminin, singulier or pluriel. If you want to talk about something that's orange, it's always ever just this. Marron aussi. Those are two adjectifs that don't make any changes. Merci beaucoup.